Good morning, Miss. Good morning, Miss.
Miss.
Okay, morning. How are you today?
I'm fine. Thank you.
Fine,
How
thank
about
you.
you?
Before we start the lesson, let's pray together, please, class captain.
Okay, friend. Tadi let's break together. Try begin. Try finish.
Thank you. Mona, I want to check your attendance first to fill the Google form too. Dorothea,
Present, Miss.
Yose,
Present, Miss.
Theodora Dara.
It's me.
Before we go on to the next steps, I want to check your remembrance. Dara, tell us about the definition of descriptive text.
Descriptive text is a text that describes.
Okay, thank you. How about the purpose, Yose?
The purpose is mainly to describe the intent object using descriptive.
Thank you. Febriani, tell us about the generic structure.
The generic text consists of indefinite.
Yeah. Mona, what is the language feature of descriptive text, Mona?
Simple present
Mm.
is and
Okay. As you said, descriptive text describes particular things. Purpose-nya is mainly to describe. And then about the generic structure, there are two generic structure: identification, description, language features that you have to consider on descriptive text. Today we are going to watch a video about Prambanan Temple, and there are some questions that you have to answer based on the video. And then after that, we will analyze the adjectives, and at the end of the lesson, kalian harus membuat project berupa video juga, sama seperti contoh yang saya berikan ini.
The Prambanan Temple is located on the Indonesian island of Java, not far from the central Java capital of Yogyakarta. This spectacular display of Hindu architecture was built in the 9th century.
Nah, what is the name of the tourism object, Yose?
Prambanan Temple.
Yeah. Okay, Lucia, where is the Prambanan Temple located?
Di Yogyakarta.
Yeah. Steve,
yeah, Miss.
what do you think of Prambanan Temple, Esti? Why people should visit that place?
It offers you some interesting facilities like book view, history written in many scaffolding.
There are so many facilities, offers in the area of Prambanan Temple. All of you, can you find any adjective in the video?
Different,
Free, wonderful,
Of pronouncing the adjective. Small,
small,
relax,
relax,
well known,
now,
different,
different,
well known.
Well known.
well known,
Ya, well known itu kayaknya nggak dibaca. Jadi tadi masih saya dengar ada yang nyebut well known katanya. Ada kayaknya. Lucia?
ya Miss.
Okay. Can you give us adjectives that we have mentioned? Small, great.
Relax,
Okay.
free,
Okay. Okay, great. Ada beberapa kata yang masih harus ditingkatkan, tapi nanti belajar lagi. Dorothea?
ya Miss. Extraordinary,
Ya.
wonderful,
Wonderful.
painful.
Okay.
Okay, Miss.
One more. Yes,
Small.
Small.
Slow.
Slow.
Painful.
Okay, painful. One more.
Different.
Different. Oke. Nah, bagus. Yose sudah mulai meningkat. Kan minggu lalu saya minta kalian bikin descriptive text about your favorite tourism place berdasarkan guided question. Nah, there are still some error, masih ada beberapa kesalahan, and then I want you to revise it. Okay, 10 minutes from now. Dara, I want you to read your text first.
Hello guys, my name is Theodora Dara Sangari. My friends call me Dara. Today, I'm going to explain or introduce one of my favorite recreation.
Thank you. Is there any suggestion for Dara about the text, about the performance?
Saya miss.
Ya, silakan.
Ya, masukan untuk Theodora. Cara penyampaiannya pun sudah bagus. Speakingnya juga lumayan. Dilatih lagi.
Febriani, second performer.
Hello everyone, my name is Febriani. I would like to tell you about the wonderful plains in West Kalimantan. Bawang Hill. Bawang Hill is a hill located in West Kalimantan, Indonesia. The hills shape more like mountains.
Thank you, Febriani. How about Febriani's performance, speaking, text? Any suggestion?
My opinion is that the presentation is good now. Only slightly improved in pronunciation and intonation to make it clear.
Your draft text yang tadi kamu bacakan dibikin dalam bentuk video. You have to make it as good as you can, and then you have to consider about your pronunciation, your fluency, your accuracy, intonation, and then volume sih sudah tidak masalah, semuanya udah pede ya untuk speaking ya. About the videos, it not more than 5 minutes, and then if you have already done your videos, you can send your video to our Google Classroom, atau kalau misalnya kamu kesulitan, you can send it to my private chat. Silahkan. I have sent you the link for the evaluation test. I want you to do the evaluation test. Ini adalah tes evaluasi keseluruhan tentang materi descriptive text dari yang kemarin kita bahas sampai hari ini. We have already in the end of our meeting, but before we close the meeting, I want you to make a conclusion. Mona, please give us a conclusion about our meeting today.
From the last we have learned about analytic struktur, fungsi sosial, grammar, dan pokoknya kali ini kita belajar lebih spesifik tentang tempat dan menyesuaikan dan sesuai dengan question yang diberikan.
Okay, great. Thank you. Steve, can you please tell us about your feeling on our meeting today?
I am so happy learning this material. Saya jadi bisa belajar menceritakan tempat wisata favorit saya bahasa Inggris. And I will learn to speak English lebih sering dan lebih berlatih.
Ya, jadi nanti setelah ini harus sering-sering belajar bahasa Inggris. Okay, thank you. And for the next meeting, I will give you new material about announcement. Jadi dari sekarang you can search about our next material. Nah, sampai di sini. Thank you very much. Don't forget to always be happy, and don't forget to keep your distance. Okay?
Miss.
Okay, Miss.
Okay. Class captain, Mona, can you please lead the prayer for our closing?
Okay, friends. Before we finish our study, let's pray together. Pray begin. Pray finish.
Thank you to Mona and you all. See you next meeting. Bye bye. Be healthy.
Bye. Good morning.
Good morning.